Hello everyone, we hope you are well. Today we are going to discuss some features of the Storyjumper tool and its function in the classroom.
First, to get a little bit of what this application consists of, it is a tool that allows us to create wonderful stories for our students, whether they come from our imagination or simply adapt one that already exists. However, remember to give credit to the author or authors.
We can also incorporate it into classes as a teaching strategy for our students to create their own stories on a certain topic. This gives them the freedom to do it according to their preferences. It also helps them to improve certain skills such as transcription, language skills, sentence construction, comprehension, self-regulation, synthesis, planning, and editing.
In the sidebar, we have different options to start shaping the story. For example, there is an option that allows us to open dialogue clouds, frames, or scrolls that can help us to write the story aesthetically.
In the option to insert text, a toolbar is displayed where you can choose the font, size, color, type of alignment, among other typical characteristics to format the letter.
Then we have another important on that is the list of the characters. There is a wide variety of them, so we can create different stories. We can find from citizens, animals, and objects to fictional, mythological, or historical characters.
Another facility that this tool gives us is a selection of scenarios. As with the characters, there are a lot of different themes. If we don't like the oceans, we can also upload images to put in the background, which is great because the application doesn't limit us to the ones that exist.
The number of pages that we can use is unlimited, so we don't have to worry about the extension. A utility that very few tools to create stories offers is to add audio. Very nice. This seems great because if we want to work the auditory part, we only have to record audio and add it.
The final results can be shared through a link or published on the same platform. This is beneficial because we are helping a community of teachers from all places. We can also access works created by them and use the details in our classes.
As teachers, we have the opportunity to be the creators. We can make a book from scratch and add our own stories or different information that we might need for the lessons. As teachers, we require tools that allow us to introduce literature. We need our students to practice their readings, and that is something that Storyjumper offers.
As the book explains in the chapter 2.4 of Principles of Technology Using Educational Settings, we learned that the access and creation of materials is very important in every educational methodology, and in this case, in remote lessons. With the web page of Storyjumper, we make sure to support every text from the books and stories with different images that can cut the student's attention. So, according to the book, digital stories are a major resource to improve the education, in this case, the online education. We chose this application because we believe that it is important to promote literature in education. The amount of topics that we can cover through this is infinite. It opens the door to an unknown world full of surprises. However, we don't agree with some bad proposals for which the literature has been used. For example, when they deal with political or religious matters. Similarly, when they are used only on special dates like book date and then forgotten. Sometimes teachers are blamed for literature being considered a minor art. even knowing the benefits it can bring. Speaking of benefits, an excellent use of reading is to expand students' vocabulary, since some words may be unknown. Also, a story involves many other activities, such as a presentation, forums, plays, role changing, and some games that can be done based on what has been read. In education, it is believed that the only purpose of a book is academic. It can be used for these purposes in moderation, but its true function is playful. Readers get the most out of their imaginations and have fun in the process. Likewise, it is not only necessary to focus on the content because both the designs and the images play an important role.